Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your Shopify store is live, products have GTIN or unique ID, and you own a Google Merchant Center account. Link Merchant Center to Google Ads now. This allows shopping campaigns to bill and report correctly. Once done, install the Shopify Google Channel app and authorize access so product data can sync automatically. Make sure feed settings match your currency, shipping, and tax configurations. This reduces disapprovals and speeds up the next steps. You now focus on the product feed and targeting. In Merchant Center, review the Shopify synced feed. Confirm titles, descriptions, GTIN, and high-resolution images meet Google specs. Fix any disapproved items and correct shipping or tax mismatches so products stay eligible. Once clean, return to Google Ads and create a shopping campaign. Segment product groups with custom labels for seasonal, margin, or top seller bids. This granularity lets you control bids for high-value SKUs and measure ROI accurately. You finish by configuring campaign settings and launching. Choose a daily budget and bidding. Start with maximize conversions or target ROAS if you have conversion data. Add relevant negative keywords and location targeting, then launch and monitor the first 3 to 7 days for spend, impressions, and conversion rate. If performance lags, adjust bids by product group and refine titles. If items are disapproved, address Merchant Center errors and re-request review immediately. This typically restores visibility within hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.